Most new YouTubers and even some of the experienced YouTubers do these simple mistakes. They hit publish the moment they upload their videos. But here is what is really happening behind the scene. So when you upload your video directly to public, you're not giving YouTube the enough time to process your videos, your titles, your description, your tags, your hashtags, and everything that you've put in this video. So now the YouTube algorithm is not getting enough time to process your videos to your audience. It makes it difficult for you to get the targeted audience that you want. So YouTube algorithm is going to recommend your videos to the wrong audience since you didn't give YouTube the time to process your videos. And you know this, everyone on YouTube has what he or she is interested in. So when YouTube recommend your videos to people who are not interested in your content, or when your video shows up on people's homepage and those people are not interested in your content, all they will do is ignore your videos, and ignore your videos means you're losing views. Another thing here is, if you know you have been using the YouTube Studio app or the YouTube app to upload your videos, then you need to stop doing that because it's a big mistake for you. To upload your videos on YouTube, all you need to do is to go to the YouTube dashboard on your laptop, or if you don't have a laptop, you can go to Chrome. You can get the YouTube dashboard over there. Then you can use that to upload your videos. Because when you use the YouTube app to upload your videos, YouTube is not going to give your subscribers the notification that you've posted a new video. But with the YouTube dashboard, there's a section that shows that YouTube is going to recommend or notify your subscribers that you've posted a new video. Let me show you exactly where it is. As you can see here, under the allowed embedding, you see publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. The YouTube dashboard, YouTube is going to notify your subscribers about the new video that you've posted. But with the app or the Studio app, YouTube is not going to do that. You should stop posting your video using the YouTube Studio app or the YouTube app itself. Here's the important part of the video. So the first thing that you need to do now is to head over to your visibility tab. You can see the visibility tab right here. So under the visibility tab, there's two options, which is save and publish. And under the save and publish, you have three options you can choose from. You have the private, the unlisted, and the public. So with the private, it means you're going to upload your videos. No one is going to see it. The videos that you're going to upload to your channel, it will be seen by only you. For people to see that private video, all you need to do is to click on the share privately. With the share privately, you're going to send emails to the targeted audience that you are going to allow them watch your video. Let's say you have friends that you want them to watch that video. You send them email for them to get access to this video. So with the unlisted, you give access to people that you yourself want them to watch that particular video. So what you are going to do is to share links of those videos that you've unlisted to those targeted people that you want them to watch the video. Yes, that's it. You share the video link to them. And with the public, as you already know, after you hit on public, the video is out there for everyone that's on YouTube to watch. Now, let's come to the main focus. That's the scheduling, the important part, the main thing that you should be doing. Let me show you how to do next to get the views that I'm talking about. As you can see down here, you see schedule. So you're going to click on the schedule, and with the schedule, this is what is going to pop up. You see schedule as published. You have your date, your time. This is what you're going to do right now. You want to post your video. Let's say today that I want to post my video. That doesn't mean I should set my date today. I want my video to go public tomorrow or the time that I will choose. If you do that, you're giving YouTube the time to process your video, find the right audience, recommend your videos to them. Yes, if you schedule your video, you give YouTube algorithm the time to process your video and find the targeted audience who are willing to consume your contents that you are creating. This is how you are going to schedule your video. On the date, you click on date. You choose the day that you want your video to go on public. So for me, I'm uploading the video today, but I want my video to be on public tomorrow. So I'm going to click on 13th, which is tomorrow. With the time, before you choose the time, make sure you go to your video, like your YouTube dashboard. Scroll to where it says analytics. With analytics, you're going to see a place that shows you the time your audience or your subscribers are mostly active. So that is the time you should choose to upload your videos. So for me, it's 6 o'clock p.m. So when it is 6 o'clock, my targeted audience and my subscribers are mostly online. So I'll choose 6 o'clock. After you're done with the time, you click on done. Then YouTube is going to do the miracles for you. They'll process your video, find the recommended the audience that need to see your video. Then they'll recommend the videos to them. And with this, you're going to get more views on this video, because YouTube have taken the time to go through your titles, your thumbnails, your descriptions, and everything that you've put in this video. And they've come to a conclusion the kind of people who need to see this video. It's the only thing you need to do. This thing that you have to do if you want to get views. Just schedule your video, give YouTube the time and the date you want your video to be published. And one thing I need to tell you is that if you do this, don't be thinking that you need to come back tomorrow to come and place on the publish button before your video will go on public. No. When you schedule your video, you give YouTube the time and the date. YouTube will do the rest for you. So there's no need for you to come online again to hit on the publish button. YouTube is going to do everything for you. Find the targeted audience for you. If you find this video useful, make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, hit on the like button. Whenever we post new videos, it will be available for you to watch. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.